This is one of my most popular bakes on my blog, and there's always people ordering cheese tarts from me. Hi everyone, I'm Judy and here's my hubs, Alex. We are moving into our new BTO later this year, and I see ourselves baking this often as I do get orders from friends and relatives as they love the savoury and soft texture of my bakes. Alright, let's get started. We will be showing you how to make my signature pastry, creamy cheese tart. I will start with my cream cheese filling. I remember my first ever baking experience, and it didn't start off well as I totally burned the cookies. But Alex encouraged me to take up baking classes to hone my skills. Without his encouragement, I wouldn't be as confident now with my bakes. Alright, so once I have all the ingredients mixed in, grab a sieve and sieve it through once to smoothen the cream cheese fillings. Now, put your cream cheese filling in the piping bag and put to freeze for 30 minutes. And now, preheat the brand oven at 170 degrees with back fan on. The cream cheese filling is ready. We will pipe it over our pre-made tarts. And brush a thin layer of egg yolk. What we want to achieve is a nice brown top on our cheese tart. And it's time to bake. I will bake it for about 5 minutes or until the top turns brown. Alright, the brown on top is looking good and my cheese tarts are ready. This recipe is only made possible because of Alex's constant encouragement, and without him, I wouldn't be able to continue my baking journey till today. Alright, presenting to you my creamy cheese tarts, a bake which is worthy for all parties. I hope you like my recipe and hope it inspires you to do more bakes too. Happy baking!